Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing my very first gaming PC. This will be one of the first I've ever owned. I have owned only a Asus laptop which was supposed to do gaming but ended up failing on me half the time, so here I am upgrading to the HP Power Pavilion desktop, which honestly, by the specs, looks very, very nice. So let's get into it. On top you got power cords, miscellaneous other goodies, all the directions and probably how to set it up, but that's not the important thing and what we're looking to get in here. Let's get to this bad boy down in here. As you can see, it is very well secured in there. There is no way this thing is going to get damaged in shipping unless you yourself decide to drop it. So let's get this styrofoam out. One piece of styrofoam. And oh baby, there she is. First, see what this box contains. Got a little box with RCC on it. Go ahead and give this thing an open up. Oh, it looks like this might actually be the keyboard. Yep, this would be the keyboard right here. And by the looks of it, is a wired keyboard that comes along with it. And in the packaging, still, let's take it on out and take a look at it. There it is, guys. Very nice keyboard. Feels very good. For a starter keyboard, probably not too bad, but from one of the gamings I felt, they are kind of cheap feeling, but it'll get the job done. That. Anything else before I get down to the main unit? Oh, this is difficult to get out. Bingo. There she is, the main unit herself. Let's move the box out of the way. Right there. Pick this up. This on out of the way, and look at that, guys. It sits right in this plastic right here. Open this up. There we go. Considerably lighter than most laptops and desktops that I've held in my times, but look at that front though. That looks pretty darn nice if you ask me. Good clean finish all around, and on the back side we have definitely enough components, coming in with 3 USB components, 1 HDMI in, along with your ability to strap on another hard drive. Looks like right there. Power input up here, your LAN connection down here. We have 2 HDMIs. That's something I was actually expecting to only have 1 of. It's very good. More USBs and another HDMI and another memory card right here, and a VGA even. That's kind of outdated, but never a bad thing to have. There we go, and overall, this is looking very nice, guys. It's very clean, very crisp. Has all the bells and whistles that you would need to get started. But otherwise, other than that, I think I actually skipped over the mouse because that is actually included with it. Get that out right now, and yes it is, it's right here. Get that sucker on out. And it's all shrink wrapped, got the plastic wrap all over it, but what do you expect? It's not that great, but it will get the job done definitely. Alright guys, that would conclude my unboxing. If you guys like this, please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.